Hello everyone, I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to introduce about beaver, which is Castor canadensis. So let's look about its global distribution. And as we can see from the map, there are two main types of beaver, which are Eurasian beaver and North American beaver. And today I'm going to focusing on the American beaver, which was mainly found in North America, except for some desert area and the far northern areas of Canada. And the American beaver prefer to live in aquatic biomes that near forests, ponds, lakes, and rivers. And some key facts about American beaver. The right part of this page is the scientific name of beaver, like kingdom, phylum, class, order, family. And the American beaver typically weighs 27 kilograms and length is about 23 to 39 inches, and while tails could add another 20 to 30.5 centimeters to its length, and its lifespan is usually about 10 to 20 years, which is relatively short compared with human. The middle part is the relatives of beaver, even though they're not that close, since it's due to its rare characteristic, it's pretty hard to find the close relatives, and so castor fiber and mountain beaver should be the only choices. The diets for beaver. Surprisingly, beavers are herbivores, which means that they're eating leaves, woody stems, and aquatic plants, and they will chew on any species of trees in order to get their food. During the winter, there is no food for them, thus they will stay in their lodge. And the wolves, mountain lions are all their predators, and in environments, it's played as a keystone species, which means that beaver is very important to environments, since it can establishing and maintaining the wetlands. And the reproduction parts. The female beaver lets the male know when she is ready to mate by excreting on nearby mounds after she has ovulated during the sex maturity period, and the male beaver checks the mounds frequently for the signs that his mate is ready to breed. And usually, beavers will reach sex maturity period as early as 11th month to 2 years old, and gestation period for female beaver usually remain for 107 and 110 days, which is approximately 3 months to 4 months. And at the most time, a female beaver could have 1 to 4 offsprings. Also, they will take care of their offsprings till they were 2 years old. And it's hard to determine whether a beaver is a female or male, since they don't have external genitalia. And the only way to tell if it's a boy or girl is to prise open the anus and get them express a fluid, a sort of oil. And the brown color is for the male, and the white color is for the female. So, how do beaver communicate? Beaver has their own system to communicate with each other. Also, they have some gestures to tell their friends the danger is coming. And when they face a threat outside their homes, they will use biting and scratching as a way to protect themselves. Their sharp claws that help with digging are also handy with self-defense. And beavers has the ability to mitigate the flooding, improve the water quality, and when the environment changes, they can capture more water from agriculture. The last part. Does beaver used by human? The answer is yes. Beaver had been hunted for their fur, meat, and castoreum, a chemical that's made by the beaver that smells like ice cream. And do humans have prejudice or myth on beavers? The answer is still yes. Beaver also get a bad rap for cutting down trees and building unwanted ponds on private property. However, since it can protect the environment very well, they still got the credits from human. And during the past years, beaver are being listed as endangered species. After being protection for several years, their populations is rebounded. And after beavers are endangered, humans try to limit pesticide use and runoff into waterways and wetlands, which successfully saved beavers. And that's all. Thanks for listening.